Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed those pesky blackheads on your face? They can be quite stubborn, can't they? Well, today I'm going to share with you some natural remedies that will help you bid farewell to those pesky blackheads once and for all. So, grab a seat and let's dive right into it. But first, let's understand what blackheads are and what causes them. Blackheads are those small black skin projections that often appear on the face, especially on the nose. They form when the sebaceous glands in our skin produce excessive sebum, which mixes with dead skin cells and bacteria, forming a plug that blocks the pores. When this plug is exposed to oxygen, it oxidizes and turns black. Now, the causes of blackheads can vary from person to person. Factors such as stress, hormonal changes, genetics, unclean skin, cosmetics, smoking, alcohol, and even caffeine can contribute to their formation. But worry not, because I'm here to share some simple and natural ways to combat these blackheads using ingredients you can easily find at home. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes. They're not just great for salads, they also have natural antiseptic properties that can help dry up those blackheads. Simply take a small tomato, peel and mash it. Then apply it over the affected areas before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and wash your face with clean water in the morning. Another powerful ingredient in our blackhead fighting arsenal is lemon. Lemons are packed with goodness, and their juice works wonders in treating blackheads. Squeeze a few drops of lemon juice into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and stir it well. Wash your face with warm water, apply the lemon salt mixture to the blackheads, and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Finally, rinse your face again with warm water. Now, let's talk toothpaste. Who would have thought that this oral hygiene staple could also help with blackheads? Apply a thin layer of toothpaste over the blackheads, leave it for 25 minutes, and then gently wash your face with warm water. Repeat this remedy for 2 weeks, and you'll notice a significant reduction in those pesky blackheads. Moving on, we have the sweet and sticky solution, honey. Honey is not only delicious but also possesses fantastic antiseptic properties that work wonders for oily skin and blackheads. Simply apply honey onto the affected area, leave it on for 15 minutes, and wash it off with warm water. Let's not forget the power of baking soda. Creating a paste using baking soda and water can help remove excess oil and dirt that contribute to blackheads. Gently apply the paste to the affected area, let it dry for a few minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Now, let's explore the wonders of oatmeal. Mixing oatmeal with yogurt creates a potent combination that can banish blackheads. Take 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and olive oil. Mix all these ingredients together until they form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face, focusing on the areas with blackheads. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. Moving on to an unexpected remedy, eggs. Yes, raw eggs can be an effective home remedy for blackheads. Beat 1 to 2 egg whites and mix them with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture over the areas with blackheads, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash it off with warm water. Last but not least, let's explore the power of cinnamon. Prepare a thick paste by mixing equal parts of cinnamon powder and lime juice. Apply this paste to the affected areas and leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your face with warm water and witness the reduction of those blackheads. And there you have it. A range of natural remedies to help you remove blackheads naturally. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these remedies into your skincare routine regularly for best results. I hope you found these remedies helpful and that you'll try them out for yourself. Remember, healthy and radiant skin is within your reach. With that said, thanks for joining me today on this journey to combat blackheads naturally. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more exciting content about skincare tips, watch our other videos.